set up Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Udan Academy at Fursadganj, Raebareli. There is a basic infrastructure there, and the new university will be set up on that land at a cost of 202 crores. There is a need to standardize aviation training in this country. I know that I represent a constituency which is the Calcutta airport. There are many fly-by-night operators. Somebody teaches you maintenance of aircraft. Somebody teaches how to be an air hostess. There is no standardization in training and education as far as civil aviation is concerned. It has many aspects. Yeah. The cargo handling, airport handling, flight safety, etc. I don't want to go into that. There is a need for very specialized training. For instance, air traffic controllers. They perform a very technical work, but there are no institutions to train people in that. So the idea of aviation university is a modern, forward-looking idea, considering that India is soon going to be the third largest market for airlines in the world. Having said that, you will allow me another 2 minutes to put a small problem. There is this Indian Airport Authority of India. It runs many airports. Now it has already, the government has already given 4 airports to the private sector. And 2 companies, GMR and GVK, they have made a loot in these airports. We know from the CAG report what looting has gone on by GMR in New Delhi airport. Okay. Now in Kolkata there is a Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. This was modernized by the AI Airport Authority at a cost of 2,300 crores. The new modernized airport was inaugurated by the President of India. The Civil Aviation Minister was also there. Our Chief Minister was also there on 20th January this year. Now, again, Chennai Airport was also modernized by the Government Airport Authority of India at a cost of 2150 crores. Now the government, or it has come to the thinking of our Civil Aviation Minister under pressure from the Deputy Chairman or other members of Planning Commission that these airports are to be privatized. Not only these 2 airports modernized at the cost of the exchequer, but he is also planning to privatize Guwahati, Lucknow, sir, just 2 minutes. Okay. Guwahati, Lucknow, Jaipur and Ahmedabad. I am totally opposed to handing over these airports built at state cost to private parties. As far as maintenance is concerned, you can outsource them. But the management, ownership and operation in this airport must be in the hands of the government.
Thank you.
One moment. Any asset built with state money should not be given to this GMR, GVK type private entities.
Thank you.
On behalf of the airport authority workers, I want to inform this House that I seek all your support against this plan for airport authorization, privatization, and the workers of airport authority will ultimately have to go for a state confrontation, total strike from November, if the minister does not give up this anti-people approach and go on to privatize state airports.